Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to the recap. Today is the 25th. Happy Wednesday. So let's go over the overall market real quick. First and foremost. So let's pull up the SPY real quick. So SPY today was, it's still in a downtrend for the day. There's definitely heavy resistance around this area for sure. 362s, right? But we may break that. Let's see. We still have some time left on the day. So yeah, definitely today's a little minor pullback. And again, just like I mentioned yesterday, this was kind of expected just because volume might be low coming in for the next few days, especially tomorrow is a day off and Friday is a short day. So yeah, let's see what happens. Definitely some resistance here. So overall, today I was watching MTC ANPC. I had it on watch, but I don't like that stock. So I didn't trade it, but it was on my watch list. ZKIN, YJ, it was moving yesterday. WEI, JFU, COCP, MKD. I mean, the watch list was kind of big, but I just try to make sure I only take the A+ setup. If I miss it, I miss it. So all right, so today I traded ZKIN, MTC, AIHS, and TOUR. So I can show you MTC here. Let's see. Let me pull up the chart for MTC real quick. MTC. So MTC was a whippy stock for sure. And I got in at 244 at 6:35 my time, right? So let me pull that up. Yeah, so it's gonna be around this area right here. So there was a double top right here, and there was a decent amount of seller. So I got it for the break of this, and then sold it on the way up. And I got in at 244 and sold at 252. ZKIN, I pretty much scalped it, and then it kind of did a false breakout. So let me pull over ZKIN for that 3 break that I did. So it was pretty much over here, around this area right here, for the break of this 3, right? I saw it's kind of doing like a double top-ish, and there was a decent amount of seller, so I pretty much scalped it. And then it literally dropped from there, huge drop, and then it kind of faded the whole day, and then came back up a little bit. So that was that. And then COCP, I had a good trade on it. Let me pull that up. COCP, I went in at 166, sold at 10 cents later. So this was around 656. I think, yeah, this was around this area. Wait, let me double check again here. So COCP, I got in at 644. No, sorry. So I had a couple trades, 162, and then got out 166. And then bought in at 166 again, got out at 176, which was at 656. So let's pull up that one. So at 656, if we pull that up real quick. So it was break of this double top. This was kind of a risky trade, but there was a big seller. It got broken down, and I sold on the way up, right? So yeah, not bad trade. That one I got in at 176, sold at 179, and the other trade I had was from 162 to 166. So a few cents on both trades, so not bad, right? EIHS, that was a losing trade. I only had one losing trade today, I think. And that was only on AIHS. And the other stock I want to show you today, I had a trade on. It was on TOUR. This stock, I believe I had a trade for the break of 4 and then got out at 4:05, which was at 10:09 a.m. my time. Let's see, 10:09. Oh, wait, 10:09. That doesn't make sense. 7:10, sorry, 7:10, which is going to be around, I believe for the break of this, you can kind of see it's like a triple top, double top, but definitely some resistance there. And there was a seller, so I got in here, and then for the break of 4, right, pretty much, and then sold on the way up. So that was a good 5-cent scalp. Sold a bit too early, but again, I think it was worth it just because we don't know how the market is. I mean, market is kind of like up and down, so I'm just taking profits a bit more earlier. But I'm still maximizing my winners for sure. So overall, yeah, this is what I traded today. The other one was MTC. That was not really worth showing. AIHS, I mean, I can show you this, but overall, it's kind of been, you know, it was a slow mover and kind of faded. I was trying to get in for the break of this, or I think it was for the break of this area right here, 167, and then kind of didn't break out after that, and it's fading away. So that's pretty much it for me. Today was a green day. I'm up $253. As you can see, I've recovered my loss that I had on Monday plus more, right? And the reason why I was able to do that, one, I'm sticking to my plans, only taking A+ setups, and also my loss is always maximized at 1% daily loss, right? And I try to keep it at 0.5%, but 1% is my done. Like, I'm done if I have 1%, because that is manageable, and I bring that up on every video because how important that is. So, and again, I was able to make that back in a couple of days. So, yeah, that's it from me. Tomorrow is a day off, so just a reminder. And Friday, the market closes at 1 p.m. market time. So you will not see a video from me tomorrow, but Friday for sure. And I will see you guys then.